We'll guide you through how to make an infinite lava source in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. To go and do this, firstly, there's a setting which needs to be changed. You can do this before you create the world or when you've already created the world. If you're yet to create the world, then all you need to do is while you're creating the world, go and click on More in the top right, click on Game Rules and scroll down until you see World Updates and locate Lava Converts to Source. And what you need to do is go and switch this on, and then it's going to go and make a source block. We'll show you how that is in a minute though. You can then go and create the world. If you've already created the world, then you'll need to go and use a command. You will need to have cheats enabled as well for this command to go and work. If you don't already have them on, pause the game and click on Open to LAN and then switch Allow Cheats on and then press Start LAN World and cheats are now enabled. And then all you need to do is open your chat, type in /GameRule, then type in lava source conversion. As you can see, it's already sort of detecting it. And then just type in true, just like so, and you've now gone and set it to true. So now you've either entered that command or you've gone and set it when you first set the world. You can make a 4x4 hole just like this and place one bucket of lava on one side and the opposite, plant another bucket of lava. And as you can see, we now get an unlimited source. And when you take one, it then goes and automatically refills it just like so.